Hey guys, so we're going to learn today how to do the treble crochet stitch. Now I just wanted to put these different colors here to represent the different types of stitches and their heights. So first of all, you have in white the foundation chain, so that's just chaining, but also the single crochet stitch that we made. Then in the dark blue or royal blue, you have the half double crochet stitch, and you can see it's a little bit taller than the single crochet stitch in white. And then in this lighter greenish color, we have the double crochet stitch, which again is a little bit taller than the half double crochet stitch in blue. And then finally, the one we're learning today is the treble crochet stitch in pink, and you can see it's quite tall. So let's do this now. So at the end of a row, if you were to do this in rows, I would suggest chaining at least 2 or up to 3 chains at the end of a row. There are other ways of doing this, but I won't show you them in this video, and it's done for the double crochet stitch and higher stitches as well. But for the treble crochet stitch, let's just suffice it to say we'll chain 2 and then we turn our work. Now from here we're going to start the actual stitch. So what we want to do this time is not only wrap once as we do in the half double crochet and double crochet stitch, but this time we're going to wrap twice. So you can see we're going yarn over, and I kind of hold it with my third finger at the top here, and then I do yarn over again, keeping it nice and tight, but not too tight either. So I'm going to work in this very first stitch space, which is right here. And once we've done that, we're going to pull the yarn through, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on my hook. So now we have those 4 loops on the hook. What we'll do is we'll pull the yarn through 2 loops at a time. So that's the first lot of 2. Then we pull the yarn again through the next or second lot of 2. And then we remain with 2 loops on the hook, and this is the third time we pull through 2 loops on the hook, and that there is the finishing touch of our treble crochet stitch. So let's do it again. We wrap not once but twice, then we come into the next stitch space, both the front and the back loops right there, and then we're going to pull up a piece of yarn thread. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook, and then we pull the yarn through 2 loops at a time. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and finally 1, 2. And that there is what you call a treble crochet stitch, and this is what it looks like, as you can see here. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Of course, you can continue going further and further step ups. So for example, the double treble crochet would be wrapping not once, not twice, but 3 times this time. Then you pull up a loop as per normal, and then you keep pulling through 2, first time 2, second time 2, third time 2, and fourth time 2. And you can see it's quite tall compared to the treble crochet stitch as well. You can even go wrap once, wrap twice, wrap 3 times, wrap 4 times, etc, etc, and the stitches just get taller and taller. And I'll put a quick screenshot here to show you how tall they can get. But those are the stitches there, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. That is the treble crochet stitch, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.